like you, Mommy.
Hi, Archimedes.
Alright. And back scratched.
Me.
I think Ben likes the bird too.
When you are lower than me, you're very calm.
Come here, Archimedes. Ooh, pretty bird.
Happy bird.
Let me get a good look at it. We just got your wings clipped. Had your first vet appointment.
Got your beak all trimmed.
Oh yeah, looking good. You come here?
Let me show you wings. Want to show you wings? What?
He's like, no way.
Found out you're a girl. You're a cross-dresser because we thought you were a boy.
Oh yeah.
Cross-dressing boy. I'm not a
Archimedes. You're okay. Quit being a sissy.
No. Ben. No.
Ben. Tell us how you really feel. Don't hold back any. Come on.
Step up.
Okay.
Step up. Step up. Good boy. Good bird. Step down. Step down. Good bird. Step up. Step up. Good bird. Step down.
All
Step
right.
down. Good bird. Step up. Good bird. Good bird. Look at those
Yay.
wings. Step down. Step down.
Look how pretty those wings
Step down.
are.
Good bird. Step up. Step up. Exercise. Good bird. Step down. Step down. Step up. Step up. Step up. No. No. Step up. Step up. Step up. Stop. Okay. You done? You done with your exercise for a minute? Okay. 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 That's a good bird. Your beak is smooth.